Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas. Here are simple crochet pattern for a cake slice or sweet yarn and cake colors. Crochet hook appeared for your yarn weight and different style and crochet slice space and beautiful ideas like different cake layers make you repeat the cake slice base pattern but using a different color for each layer with white yarn single crochet around the edges of the triangular cake slice, working extra stitches at the point and for a video. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video still the end. And mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and press bell icon and subscribe my channel. So take care.